We're familiar with using Pinterest to look up dinner recipes, crafty designs, or even how to redecorate our home. But did you know that you can use Pinterest to sell products for your business? In today's video, I'm going to share with you and highlight the benefits of using Pinterest to selling products for your product-based business. For all things monetization, blogging tips, growing your creative business, and helping you to do the very thing that you love unapologetically, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified as I put out a new video every single Monday. Last time we were together, we talked about how to use Pinterest for your business, specifically as a content creator. If you haven't had a chance yet to go check out that video, make sure you check it out. But today's video, I definitely want to kind of piggyback on what we discussed then, but I want to talk about sales, highlight the benefits of using Pinterest for your product business, and exactly how you can begin to make sales from using the platform of Pinterest. So like I did last week, I'm going to give you behind the scenes so you can actually see from the Pinterest platform exactly how does this work. So the first way, that I wanted to talk about how you can use the Pinterest platform to sell products for your product-based business is gaining search engine exposure. So what do I mean by search engine exposure? So if you have a product, narrowing down that product, and you know that you type it in the search field, you may find a list of different products based upon whatever your product may be. So we all know Google and also YouTube is known for searching keywords, but Pinterest is definitely another platform where you can gain search engine exposure. So I'm going to tell you guys how you can get some search engine juice so that your products can be rated and your products can definitely be found on the Pinterest platform. So let's go take a look. All right, guys. So we're here on my home page. I'm going to click all pins, and I decided to search swimsuits. So let's go to swimsuits. And you're going to see all the swimsuits here, right? You can just explore the different types. But if I am a consumer, I am going to go to shop because I want to shop some swimsuits. So hit the shop button here and see you have the pins listed here. Some people have the models, or some people actually have the full item, which is a swimsuit. And even the price is included, guys, on the pin. Look, this is from Etsy. So like when you click on the search button there, it pulls up the swimsuits on Etsy. So you go directly to the product. So that's what I mean by search engine exposure, because you could put in the keywords here and go straight to the product. Now let's see. You could even narrow down the keyword search, like one-piece swimsuits, summer bathing suits, cute bathing suits, bikini swimwear, to narrow down your product. So let's go back up. And then when you go and put the word in the search field, these are the main trending keywords on Pinterest right now. So look, swimsuits for small chest, swimsuits one piece, swimsuits high-waisted. Let's click on that. Look. It gives you all the high-waisted. Look, you even have videos here. So that's what I mean by search engine exposure, because you could get really specific regarding your product, and you could create some beautiful product pins based on whatever your product is, list the price, and have it go straight to your product page. Look at that. Alright, go back. Let's see some videos, maybe. Alright, so it's just showing. See, look, you can see the price. Yes. Even the main companies are doing it. Look, Old Navy and Kohl's. Get your product pins on Pinterest, guys. Let's try boards. Look, here goes swimsuit boards. You could create a whole board and people can follow them, especially now with it being summer. Excellent, excellent marketing. Let's go on people. So if you was a swimsuit brand, you could definitely be found under the people search. Alright, so that's what I wanted to show you guys about search engine exposure. And these as well, guys, these are the top keywords that are trending on Pinterest. These color boxes here. So you have cute, swimsuits that are cute for women, for body types, cover-ups, modest, photo shoot. All of these is specific keywords where people are searching, guys, that you can be found. Look at this. With your product. So great, excellent ways. Oh, there go a video there. I was looking for a video. Look at this. All of these cover-ups. This is what's trending. People are searching for, where your product can be found. Here's a quick little video. Look at there. You can do videos with yourself modeling the swimsuit, or if you have models to do so. Excellent. So the second benefit that I wanted to highlight, how you can sell products on Pinterest with your product-based business, is pin to purchase. So what do I mean by pin to purchase? So you know on Pinterest you are pinning, right? We're not posting, they call it pinning on Pinterest. So, you know, you may be familiar with just pinning, like I said earlier, your recipes or home decor designs, what have you. But now, since you're product focused, that you're solely focused on your business, you're pinning solely to purchase, to get people to purchase your product. So you're going to pin your product, you're going to pin your sales, you're going to pin your promotions specifically to your page, to your boards, so that people can see it, so people can purchase, so people can become a loyal customer. And I'm going to show you how you can do that. Let's head on over. Okay, so what I mean by pin to purchase is, like I said, you are pinning your product solely for consumers to purchase. So like, I would go to product pins. Let's say I search lipstick. If I'm looking for lipstick as the consumer, you're going to see all of these in the product pins. So this is what you're going to post all the time on your boards here to gain sales, right? So like I showed you on search engine exposure, how easily found your keyword can be. See, these are the trending keywords, and they have the price listed as I showed. So this is all you're doing, is just pinning your products. Let's see if I can find. Most of these are brands. Look at these brands taking over Pinterest. Let's see. Look. So you will pin your product just like this. So this is the lipstick. So they're selling the lipstick. So you have the description. You have the price. You have a quick overall what the color is, right? And then the description here and the price. And guess what? If I'm interested in this, I'm going to read more. And guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to go to this link and purchase, because I love this color. I love what it said about the description. And I'm going to buy this. I saw that it was $18. Let me go ahead and add that to my bag. So that's how quick it can be, guys, is what I was saying. Because as you pin, you can link your website directly to your sales page, directly to the product page. So if I'm on here looking, definitely under product pins, I'm looking to buy, right? So I'm not looking to do anything else but make a purchase. So that's why I said it's so powerful, because you're pinning directly just to get those purchases. Look, or I can't even just say, ooh, I like this color. So without even going to the actual pen, I could go straight to the website. Like, I'm sold. I don't need to look at all of that. Let me look what's on this website, and I can see more information, and then I could just go ahead and buy it. Because if you're on Pinterest looking at product pens, 9 times out of 10, you're looking to purchase. You're not looking to just search and just get more information. Now, you may just be looking and shopping around like, most what people do, but generally you're on here to make a purchase, like you're ready to do so. So that is what I mean by pen to purchase. What are your thoughts so far? Do you see how you can take penning to another level to bring it on over to your business? Pinterest is definitely a different platform than, your standard Facebook or your Instagram posting, but it can definitely be another beneficial way for you to make more sales. So what do you think? Drop a comment below. Is this helpful so far? The last highlight and benefit I wanted to share with you guys on how Pinterest can help you to sell your products for your products-based business is by pinning to promote. So, when I just mentioned earlier, you want to pin your promotions, but specifically, Pinterest does have a way for you to promote your sales or promote your marketing or promote that specific board by promoting your pins. So promoting pins is another word for Pinterest ads. Like we see Facebook ads, like we see Instagram ads, like we see YouTube ads. Pinterest calls their ads promotions. So you're promoting the pin, so you put money behind it just like you would do on your other social media platforms. And actually, you can get more bang for your buck on Pinterest, but I would highly suggest that you only use pin promotions, like if you have like a new product release, or like I said, to promote your marketing, or if you have like a sale going on, just so that you won't get in the habit of paying for each pin that you post, but just most so have a strategy behind it, like you would do with anything else when you're marketing your products. But I'm going to show you an example how promotion pins work, and you've probably seen them already, but let's take a look, and I'm going to show you how that's going to work for your business. Okay, so we're talking about Pinterest ads in this video. So promote to sell, and basically I'm not going to go over the full ad process, but just to give you a background here, it shows like what's your business goal: brand awareness, video views, traffic, app install, sales. See how you can specifically focus on the sales. This is what I just wanted to show you really quick. Upload your products, promote your product inventory with shopping ads. Catalog is a feed ingestion tool designed for businesses who sell products on their websites. It automatically creates product pins to be promoted as shopping ads. This is what I was telling you guys about. This is what you want to do. Product pins. So these are going to definitely help you sell. So that is what I wanted to show you, where you can go specifically to creating product pin ads. And then let's see if I can find an ad here. Let's try candles. And it's always mixed in with other pens, so it's really easy. Oh, nothing is coming up for candles. Let's see. Candle. Okay, let's do this. So let's see. You mostly see them with the big companies. See, Bed Bath and Beyond, they have one up for their Memorial Day sale. You see how I told you about you can use definitely promoted pens for sales. Look, watch again. It's a quick video. It says promoted by Bed Bath and Beyond. So right here, it'll be your company name, promoted by X, Y, and Z, whatever. We're talking about candles, so promoted by candlelight company or something. And then you could go right to the link, as I always say, to go see about that sale, see what they have to offer, what they're talking about. So, see, it's talking about Memorial Day sale and clearance. So that's one of the promoted ones. Let's see if we find another one. Sometimes it's messed up, just like on Facebook and Instagram when you see other products. See, look, this talking about a mattress by Casper. Has nothing to do with candles, but based upon your targeted audience and targeted words, right? Look, you could do videos, even though this is what I mean by promoted pins. Look, Casper's still in there. Okay, I was trying to see if I can find some more. Okay, here go one with candles, luxury candles. Look, they have a quick like video as well. Look, watch again. Giving you more insights, bring joy to your home. Home fragrances, chic and affordable, unique designs. You want to see what they're talking about? You could click in the link. Boom. Here go the products. Let's go back. Visit. Oh, it's going to go right back again. Boom. So it's taking you right directly to the site. If that looks interesting, imagine the traffic that you can get. Imagine just the possibilities. People can go and save this to the board. I didn't even show you that. So let's just say I'm going to save this for later and come back. Save to my board. Boom. Let's see. I can find another one. Walmart has one promoted. So it's so easy, guys, to get your product out here in the midst of, to get your promotions out, just to get your traffic, get your customer loyalty up. This is what I mean. Just get your exposure, get your brand exposure, get your product exposure, and definitely get your sales. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. As always, I hope you guys receive some massive value today in how to use Pinterest to work for your business. If you're interested in learning how Pinterest can work for your business and want to see more videos like this, drop a comment below and let me know. I would love to receive your feedback. If you need help to jumpstart your Pinterest profile, don't forget to download my Pinterest guide, where it covers 6 easy steps to get your business profile up and running for Pinterest. I'm going to link it below this video in the description. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified as I put out a new video every single Monday. For my recent videos, don't forget to check out how to use Pinterest for your business as a content creator and how to monetize your personal brand as a beginner. Talk to you guys soon, and I will see you next week.